Canadian Pacific Railroad vertical lift bridge. Um, and, you know, and it crosses the Navigation Canal. Let me show you something. There you go. Now it's open to traffic though, but it was built in 1907. A pointed plate girder used by the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railroad, former vertical lift bridge crossing the Portage River with Navigation Canal, and it's fixed in position because the machinery, the counterweights, and the two towers were removed, right? And I'm gonna show you the actual bridge when the trains that went over this bridge, right? So it's called a Canadian Pacific Portage Canal Railroad vertical lift bridge. That's the actual vertical lift bridge, right? Now it was designed by Waddell and Harrington, right? So let's go back to the drawing. Yeah, so there you go. Now I used to the race with the swing bridge for boats, and now you know it's you know it's like a fixed bridge now because again the machinery and the two towers were removed. It's located in Portage, Wisconsin.